Hello everybody, welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts, and this is Tracy once again. So I'm going to show you a little tip that you may know and you may not know. Some of you may, some of you may not. With the Cricut cutting mat and the placement of your vinyl when you're using several colors and several different cutouts. Stay tuned, hold on, hold your horses. Here we go. I wanted to show you a Cricut Mat Hack. For multiple images and multiple colors to put them all on one mat and then cut them. So you see I have flowers and letters, and there's a small emblem here in the middle, a Harley motorcycle emblem, and then and then these Hawaii 2023. So this is one color, this is going to be another color, and each one of these letters with the hibiscus will be a different color. So let me take you down to the Cricut mat to show you how I placed the vinyl. You just do your measurements. You see this is 3 inches, within 3 inches, so I gave it 3.25, and you take it over here to the 5, so I did 3.25 by 5.5, and you just do the same. You place your other color or image over far enough, and you cut your vinyl. This is 7 inches over here, and then it goes down, it's 3 inches. So this is actually 5 inches by 3. So you just measure, you place your images inside here and place them far enough apart. Make sure you have space enough for your vinyl. And just cut your colors to the sizes according to each cutout that you have. So let me show you how I placed it on the cutting mat. So as you can see here, I have the different colors. So the top one, which had the hibiscus and Michelle, will be red in the measurements that took. This one will be Lisa, the L. I'm sorry, this will be the M and the hibiscus. This will be the L and the hibiscus. Nope, I take that back. She is pink. The L and hibiscus is pink. The C, hibiscus is yellow. And the D with the hibiscus is blue. This is the little space here for the Harley Davidson emblem. And then across here are the Hawaii 2023. And I just scan down according to that mat on Cricut Space where to place, how far down and how far over to place each piece. So let's see if I did this right. Take it to the Cricut cutting machine and cut her up. And hopefully everything's placed right. So I'm going to set the base material for printable vinyl. This is permanent premium vinyl, Oracle 651. And I don't know why, but I may not have to, but I always set my pressure at more, most of the time. Take y'all over here to Purple Passion and start her up. Did I not push that? There we go. Give her a little time to think and let her do her thing. And I rarely use the speed button to go fast, rarely. So I haven't used it this time, just let her do her thing. At her own pace. I'm in no rush. All done. Let's see if I place this right. It looks like it. It looks like it. You can't tell until I peel the negative space away. But hold on and we shall see. I don't think you can see the cutout, so I'm just going to use my brayer and burnish these cutouts down so that I can keep all my dots and all that good stuff, the little bitty things. And let's just see. Let's see. Let's start with the red. This one is definitely lined up. Usually your top ones are going to be lined up. These are the ones that you're usually concerned with, to make sure that you place these at the right inch marking. Uh-oh. We need that pedal. Come on. Woo! And I need the stem. Not stem, whatever you call that thing in the middle. Oh, 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 oh. Don't do that to me. There we go. That one is good. Let me just burnish this down just a little bit better. Make sure. All right, let's see how the yellow did. And keeping it on the mat should help you out too when you're taking the vinyl, the negative space off of your cutouts. So far, so good. Hold on, hold on. Where is it? Where is it? I want to make sure that, oh, it's down. Okay. What do you call this thing? It's not the stem, it's the, oh, I can't think of that part, but you know. Style? I don't know what it's called. That one's good. Got the C. Let's do the blue. Oh, let me burnish it. Let me just make sure. Let me do this on all of them again. Okay. This is the D. Oh, 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 oh. Slow down, slow down. We need all that. There we go. There we go. Okay, let's do the pink. Oh, no, I gotta take this out of the middle. So this is the L. That one did swell. Now the Harley Davis little emblem. Or the shield. I won't say Harley Davis. The shield cut out. Oh, it's tiny. Oh, shoot. It's real thin. It's sticking to itself. I might have to do this one again. I cut a 3-inch one out the other day, but then he wanted a 1/2 inch. What in the world is he going to do with this? I'm going to leave this one alone. But it was set right. Almost over too far, but it was in there. Let's do this teal. Now, this is a lot of letters, so I got to be careful here. If I can get it up. Oh, 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 there, see? That's what I mean. That's my eye, my dot for my eye. Oh, oh, oh. Hold on, hold on. Let me hold that down. Okay, okay. Just take your time. I take my time. A lot of people go through this real fast, but I don't want to lose anything. Because I don't want to cut stuff over if I don't have to. I can do that little thing over. That's no problem. But I think I'm going to make it a tiny bit bigger. Just a tiny bit. Because he requested a 1/2 inch. Where in the hell? And who's going to see that? Where's he going to put it? I don't know. And who's going to see it? I don't know that either. So as you can see, everything lined up well. And I cut all these colors and cutouts. Birds, letters, flowers at the same time. Colors. Saves a lot of time to plan it out in the beginning instead of having to keep placing your mat, placing the vinyl on a mat. It's just too much. Do it all this way, get it done in one whop. One doo-wop. Ta-da! Just gotta take the vinyl out of the middle of these letters, and I'm done with the cutting part. And I can do that off camera. I just wanted to show you how you line up your vinyl to use more colors, more images all on one mat if they fit. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the chat if you knew this tip or not, or no. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. At this time would be nice. Peace and love. We'll see you next time. Have a great one. I'm out. Later.